So what would be your message for New Zealander coming in Philippines? What will be the ready? Just a the
Yun na ba?
maybe the the
To
heat.
make a paper
Yeah, the heat
ball.
look.
To make a paper
Filipinos
ball.
are very hospitable and welcoming and Mickey was blocking the
It's okay. It's okay. It's far.
Filipinos are very welcoming and hospitable and funny and it's just been so lovely spending time with you all and being here, so thank you so much.
Thank you. And yeah, we are also glad to meet you. di ba? And New Zealander has also different culture than us.
And one day hopefully you'll be able to experience New Zealand.
Yeah, sure. We're looking forward for it.
Oh, awesome.
Maybe in the future, near future.
Mm.
Sam, you go to New Zealand, work. You study in New Zealand. Miguel's quite now not uncomfortable, no, because he knows you're leaving. That's why he's keep acting like this. Kita? Also Sam. Boat? Actually, boat. Ako sa
Delegate, you met some of our relatives.
Yes, that was really lovely to meet them.
You have met mother side.
Yes.
For the father side, no presents yet. We weren't able to visit them. Yep. Maybe in the future, so.
Yes.
Because we are a very big family in the father side.
Yes.
How many are there on? 11?
Yeah, I think so.
1,000.
Oh, yeah. And for mom, there are 4.
Yeah. I told her that there was
Siblings.
yeah, 11 siblings.
Wow.
One was illegitimate, but they are they have accepted her in the circle. Father side, 11 siblings, right? And then one of them is illegitimate.
No legitimate, di ba?
There is.
My classmate's friend is live
Who
in
was
New
this? Gina?
Zealand.
No, not Gina.
Yeah. My
Say Gina.
It's a Gemma?
Which city
Jenny?
is it?
Jenny. Oh.
I don't know. She
legit.
didn't tell me.
Brother, to tanan.
I think it's in your city.
Jenny.
Oh, everyone is
Macario, Felipe, and Jenny. Third. No, illegitimate.
No illegitimate, uy.
Okay.
But it's more than 10 actually
Wow.
being conceived, but the others were not fully. There were 3 that was not fully.
And which war did?
Veteran?
Yeah, veteran of
World War II?
Yes, that's why he was able to
Go to
go
US.
to the US.
Oh, so he served in the World War II.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, okay, so I thought it was Vietnam War. Okay, okay.
He was there in the US for I don't know how many years.
And when we celebrate our cousin's daughter, the Jollibee was full, so Lagumbay clan is very big.
Now you're good at drawing cats.
Kate, huh?
The cats are so dot.
So what do you think about the beach house? Mom's beach house.
That's such and this one too. They're both lovely houses. It must be so nice living close to the beach. Always being up to go for a swim.
Yeah, the fresh
But
air.
I don't swim. I don't know.
Oh, mom
Mom
don't.
enjoys the fresh air.
I just have the fresh air.
Mom never goes to the water.
Lying on the hammock.
Yeah.
One time, Aki swim in the pool. I mean, in the dagat.
Aki the dog.
Aki the dog.
Ah,
The what? The dog. Yeah.
Nasa bed. Picture.
The tourism, no? So we experienced Oslo,
Marlborough.
Moalboal, Osmeña Peak, Alejandra, Taps,
Sirao.
Sirao.
You're
So
So-
many places.
Yeah, the ancestral house in Colon
Yes.
and
Puso Village.
Puso Village, the Plaza Independencia,
Fort
The
Pedro.
museum.
face.
a
Fort
museum,
San Pedro, yes.
Fort San Pedro,
Racer
Bohol.
face.
Bohol, Tarsier, Panglao.
Monumento de Lapu-Lapu.
Yes, the
Yes,
very hot
yes.
monumento ni Lapu-Lapu.
That was the first experience.
Yeah, we couldn't tell you. You should have been honest. We're so hot. Because only, di ba? The
Umbrella.
oh,
We had umbrella, but
umbrella.
it was
No,
very hot.
the sea breeze was so different. Even us are sweating. Mm. That's the challenge.
Yeah. Louisa can share or tell her experiences to her mom and dad.
Oh,
Yes, it's
Yeah.
a long story.
Yes,
they can visit. We can accommodate. Okay.
Oh, that's lovely.
You can stay with mom at Dalaget and enjoy the heat. I don't think they can enjoy. You share it.
When they were young, they traveled already Asia and even India.
Ah,
But I'm not sure if they could still withstand this heat at this age. Because
nice.
it's really very hot. But there are lots of European foreigners we see that are quite old already.
Yeah, but I don't think they they survive. Maybe not from New Zealand.
And Asia. Other,
Yeah, maybe they've been
staying other Asian countries.
Favorite cup
Some
no.
the Europeans and the other who came from old countries.
Maybe you can search how to climatize Philippines.
Yes.
It's up to your body.
at least Rarotonga, if you ever think of visiting Rarotonga Island, you now know how it's like in a tropical country. Yeah.
Hmm.
And to play fuzzy wire.
Ah.
Hmm.
Ingat.
Fuzzy wires.
Fuzzy
We
wire.
are fuzzy tail. Oh,
Now you're opening it up na. They will pack their luggage na.
look bad.
Yeah, we will be packing soon, Sam. So
Hmm.
it's okay.
Bring that to NZ.
How did mom buy you that, Sam? Wow.
Yeah.
That's Granny.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Fuzzy wire. Fuzzy
Cardboard.
wire. Ow!
Did
And do you think
Like a flower.
Miguel and Samira can outstand the cold winter?
Yes.
No?
Definitely.
And Irene? Even in 24? How much in the office temperature? 17? 24, we feel very cold, so
I honestly would not recommend traveling
Winter.
in winter.
Yeah.
Come in summer.
yeah.
The logistics in winter is very difficult even for us.
The food,
The logistics,
logistics,
like
travel.
yeah, like it's raining and wet
Oh.
usually in winter. The
So that's
What months are
best
oh.
to go summer.
December,
Gotta stand there like no other.
December, January, and February.
December.
Yes,
So-
that's the best time to
Almost.
travel, like on the road. But you give up the the experience of cold and the foliage in autumn.
Mm.
But it's the easiest to travel summer, like because the weather is more stable in summer.
So maybe the best is between nearing autumn. So some end of summer near autumn.
Yeah,
So-
maybe March. you
So
say?
we can see the translation of the
Transition.
transition. Orange.
The,
We want
the
orange.
transition, the color change happens in
March.
late April or late May. Late May.
Oh, that's very
May.
cold na.
Yeah.
So best to come in summer.
Yeah, summer. So end of summer, and that's March, diba? Hopefully
Yeah.
March because
Yeah, but you won't see color
Oh.
changes at that time.
but all flowers are blooming na during summer.
Yeah, flowers bloom in summer. Like the lavender, I think, blooms in January.
The lavender flower. So every flower in the neighborhood.
No, not the
Not
neighborhood,
all.
but there's a lavender field,
Ah,
and then there's a big sunflower field there
ah,
in the West Auckland that blooms all summer.
ah.
And then strawberry picking as well is in summer.
Ah, okay.
Strawberry and blueberry picking.
Ariel?
So there's a lesson.
Ariel!
Blueberries on the supermarket during that time or no?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
And it's cheaper
Yeah, if it's in season, yeah, usually the
and
fruits are.
good to eat.
And as per Luisa, the local gets the less less best food because the best are exported.
Yeah, all the best things are exported.
That's
That's
how
true. That's how that's is
business works.
But the
If you're willing to pay the high cost of it,
but honestly, the apples are still for me high quality in
They are.
New Zealand.
And the food.
No, the vegetables are high quality. They're juicy
Vegetables.
and sweet.
The broccoli,
Yeah, the bok choy is really sweet.
it's so juicy.
Yes.
It's soft.
And the mandarins are sweet.
Yeah.
Most
yeah,
of the time.
yes.
Mandarin? Orange?
No,
The-
mandarin.
No, mandarins, the ones that are easy to peel.
Yeah,
The small or
but it's small. It's same as orange. The orange color.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
same colour.
Yeah, I was because the orange is hard to peel, so that's the orange, original
Yeah,
orange.
Yes, yes.
The mandarins are the.
Yeah.
So it came from New Zealand also.
No, they have
China, it is.
sometimes it's from China, but they have produced locally as well.
In Australia.
Yeah, yeah. Thing exciting about spring is the cherry blossoms, but you don't really go to New Zealand for cherry blossoms. You go to
There's also in Japan.
yeah,
and
that's
Korea.
where it came from.
So it was just a
It was
The
gifted.
plants.
It was gifted, I think.
You do not play with that.
the spring doesn't have any
Yeah, because it's really wet and windy in spring,
Ah.
especially October.
So it's
It's
day.
very windy in October.
No, not today lagi ang sticker. Uncle Ron and Tita are not he told she assignment next week. Do that instead of mobile phone.
Stop.
Ah?
Stop.
Ako. Spring? Kato ding
Oh no!
so 4 day na sa? 4 months.
3 months.
3 months. Oh.
And even if, for example, it's already like the start of winter, it still fluctuates. So it's like it gets warm in winter sometimes as well. And
Yeah.
It gets very cold in summer. Because
Mm.
in those, even if the season is already done, it still goes
I
back.
stepped it.
So that's how the
Yeah, it
temperature.
fluctuates.
Chair.
It doesn't mean that it sticks on that particular month or particular season.
Almost.
They say that the weather's
Just
quite
like the one when I go there, it was already a little bit of winter.
They say that the weather's quite unpredictable.
Ah,
Don't they?
Yeah, they joke that you can experience 4 seasons in one day.
in New Zealand? In Auckland?
Some,
Maybe some
sometimes.
parts?
Yeah, some parts. Even in Auckland, yeah, true sometimes. Some unorganized systems like queuing systems in the whale shark.
Yeah, whale
It's
shark.
a little bit stressful.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's more money. It's
There are many people lining up.
like there's no like order. Like usually in New Zealand you just queue,
Oh.
Yeah.
but everyone was just pushing in front of everyone.
Yes. There was actually already order because we were given a number. But
Still
when
insert.
when it's time to pay, they didn't respect the number. Like everyone just inserted in front.
And we like, our boat was already leaving.
Yeah.
It was out in the water ready to go.
Mm.
And you were left behind.
Nearly.
Yeah, nearly.
Almost left behind.
Louisa,
I'm not recording.
Louisa, before
It's in
coming here,
YouTube.
she said that all Filipinos in New Zealand are very nice. And I told her wait until you get to Philippines.
So you told her already.
Row,
She was ready to
row,
accept the
row
reality
your
here.
She was shocked.
down the
She was shocked because
street.
all the Filipinos there are nice. Of course they're nice because it feels like someone's watching us.
But all of you this you
They feel nice
Yeah.
because that is not their country. It's they are well behaved when they are in other countries.
but you are all so lovely and you're such a lovely family. So loving and kind and caring and hospitable.
Thank
So
you.
just
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah. Thank you also for
Now,
having time with us.
you want?
It's been a pleasure.
And
Hala,
So much
nag-record
fun with
sa
you all.
YouTube.
and we're so happy that you take
Nag-record.
to look for Ron in New Zealand. You take good care of him.
Nag-record sa YouTube.
And he takes very good care of me.
Oh yeah.
Such a
Yeah,
kind person.
so look out for each other when you're both away from us. So yeah.
Uy,
Thank you.
Thank you.
record ka
Oh.
kag YouTube.
Thank you. Thank you, Ron.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ulo, naka-record kag
Record ka?
YouTube. Record siya ba? Record.
Naong ganin mo.
Nag-record siya YouTube.
It's not YouTube.
Na ang Idra.
I'm recording sa Instagram. Hindi ito.
Na-face there.
So did you enjoy the stay here?
Oh, of
Really?
course.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
It's been so lovely.
So it's a wonder experience of a lifetime eh.
Yes,
Getting to know
definitely.
here.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. Well, this is her first time being in the North Hemisphere.
Yeah, of the equator. We should also go down south.
Yes.
Hindi mo disappear. Oh, ano are you recording? Stop recording mo.
No, it's record.
That time.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
No, mga 6 siguro or basta.
Yeah. Maybe Samira's age.
Mm.
7.
6, 7.
Samira's age. Bro.
Because you were big when you were small, and that time you were not.
You're still thin.
You're still.
Jollibee.
When you were in grade 3, you were so big. So you're still young. during that time. I think it's 4 or 5.
Jollibee side. Jollibee.
Yeah, I could see mom very strict that time. Like, I could not remember mom was so strict.
I test the boat.
When you were big,
Ah, yeah.
not that. But
I
the
test
thought
the boat in
during
the water.
the age
So
of
how to do it here?
grade, maybe kinder.
Kinder,
Those
yeah.
time that we easily, the moms easily gets
Angry. Yeah, just like Irene now. The mom who gets very angry. Oh. Yeah.
Ako,
So yeah.
Ako,
Asa man? Okay. Sige.
I wanna
Oh.
see YouTube.
Oh.
Channel.
No.